What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about Terra Classic, Luna Classic. As you can see, it has been performing absolutely insane, not just over the last 24 hours, but I'd say over the last couple of days it's been gaining value, and a lot of people are questioning me whether, is it time to invest, is it time to get into it, is it going to fully recover, and others are asking me what is going on with this crypto. Yes, it's still a crypto that I wouldn't invest in, but why is it pumping so much? So that is exactly what I'm going to be going through in today's video, looking at its next potential target. Is it going to keep going up in value? Is it going to drop back down? Looking at some latest news that explain the pump, why it's pumping up so much in value, and obviously I'm going to give you guys my take on it and my prediction and my view on what's likely to take place and how high and how low can this crypto go over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2022. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash the subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So as you can see, over the last hour it has dropped 10%, which is quite major, but obviously the major increase in value has caused the 10% drop. And I keep saying this in most of my videos: whenever you see a crypto doing a huge percentage increase, do expect drops, and that is exactly what's taking place right now. Over the week, a massive 140% up, which is absolutely crazy, especially when it's Terra Luna or Luna Classic even, and over the month it's 50% down. And yeah, let's not even go to the yearly chart, because yeah, it is 100% down. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up by a crazy 220%, making it nearly $1.2 billion in trading volume, which is a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on Terra Classic. Looks like a lot of people are putting their money into this crypto, and minority of the people are also selling it, as they've seen their profits. So yeah, let's have a look at what's causing all this. And again, before I go any further, guys, just a little disclaimer: this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So here is why Luna Classic and USDC are suddenly rising. So yeah, if you guys didn't notice, it's not just Terra Classic that's rising. Here's also its currency called, let's have a look here, Luna USDT. So let's have a look here. It should be in the top gainers lists. Here it is. So Terra Luna is here, and under that we have USTC, Terra Classic USD, which is its coin in dollars. So let's quickly have a look here. Terra Classic has gained 44% today and over 110% over the last 7 days, while Terra Classic USD has gained over 140% today alone and 780% in the last 7 days. So both LUNC and USDC has almost been forgotten by the greater crypto community over the past 2 months, following the unfortunate Terra Luna debacle that started with the depegging of the USDT stablecoin. But the recent price hikes have brought the two cryptocurrencies back to limelight. So let's have a look here. Obviously this is just data on what's happened. Why is USDC and LUNC price rallying? One of the main contributors to the sudden rise of LUNC price, and consequently that to the USDC stablecoin, is a recent announcement by a metaverse venture called Starship that it shall incorporate LUNC into its ecosystem. LUNC will be one of the payment methods in Starship, which I'm not sure why they're doing it. LUNC is gone, guys. It's dropped so much. It's dropped 100%. I'm not sure why they would incorporate it into the ecosystem. Not 100% sure on that one. In addition, Starship will also burn 1.2% of the total amount of LUNC that it will receive as payment. So LUNC will be implemented into the Starship ecosystem as one of the as one form of payment within Starship, including 1.27 burn, so on and so on. So Starship is one of the biggest metaverses to be created, and it recently released footage showcasing its gameplay. The Meta Universe features 32,000 square kilometers of buildable area and is powered by the new Unreal 5 engine. The crypto community welcomes the practical use case of LUNC, and the partnership between Starship and Luna reinforces each ecosystem. And I'm not 100% sure why they're doing that, but again, guys, is that the real reason? Is that not the real reason? It kind of makes sense, but again, I don't understand why 100% they would invest or use LUNC as a form of payment. So Terra Classic price predictions: where will the LUNC crypto go after the 50% rally, which is right now? So the rally is coming after a hacker activist organization called Anonymous said it would launch a probe of the originator of Terra do one earlier this week. Yes, I did mention that in my video earlier today. That is also one of the reasons why it pumped. Not today, about a couple of days ago, 3 days ago, it did pump up in value as well, and that was because of the anonymous hacker activist. So let's get into that. Terra Classic is jumping 50% to this value here in early trading. The rally, which began early this week, is occurring after a hacker activist organization called Anonymous said it would launch a probe of the originator of Terra Do One earlier this week. Meanwhile, websites provide varied Terra Classic price prediction. So we're not going to look at the background of Terra Luna because we already know Do One has become controversial. Terra Classic price prediction. So crypto predictions expect Terra Classic to finish August at this value here. For its part, Coinpedia says that in the third quarter, the currency might soar to its quarterly high of this value or sink to this value here. So it could go either way, up, or it could go down. Personally, I think it's going to go down in value. It's over already. I'm not investing into the crypto, as I keep mentioning in most of my videos, and I won't be investing into the crypto. I'm just holding on to what I've got so far. According to the digital coin price, Terra Classic's average price in 2023 will be this value here. So 0.30199, and at the moment it is sitting at, let's quickly have a look at 0.0001. So yeah, just about what it's worth at the moment. So on the date of publication, did not have so on. We don't really care about that, but yeah, that is also another reason. So the hacker activist and the Starship collaboration, shall I call it, that is one of the other reasons why it's pumping up in value. Over $530 million inflows Terra Classic in 4 days. What's behind the curtain? Terra Classic, the original chain of the collapsed Terra Luna ecosystem, continues to gain interest among investors, attracting significant capital inflows contrary to the general crypto market sentiments. Following the collapse, it has highly anticipated that LUNC would go back to zero, but the token appears to be earning the support of its community. Really? Is it really earning your support? Let me know in the comment section down below. Are you guys starting to believe again in Terra Luna? Because I'm definitely not. I won't be investing into it, as I mentioned, and yeah, it hasn't really gained my trust just because it's, gained 150, 160% in the last 7 days, because overall it is still 100% down. The support is highlighted by the $534 million that has flown into the network's market capitalization within the last 4 days. As of 26th of June, which was 3 days ago, Terra Classic's market worth stood at $388 million, surging as high as $922 million by 29th of June, which is today, a growth of 137% as per CoinMarketCap data, which I did show you guys earlier. So yeah, it's going crazy at the moment. Looks like a lot of people are gaining trust again and are investing their money into the crypto. Let me know what you guys are doing. Are you investing? Are you selling? Are you just holding? Or are you just not bothered about Luna Classic? Let me know in the comment section down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, guys, I'm going to end the video here. This was just a quick update with the latest news, latest updates on Terra Luna, or Luna Classic, Terra Classic, whatever you want to call it. And yeah, I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. Before you click off, make sure to like, subscribe, share, comment, and all of that stuff. And I'll catch all of you in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.